Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to explore one of the best scalping strategies in the 1-minute time frame created using 2 free indicators on TradingView, which will help us achieve the highest possible win rate. If you're looking for a strong strategy for short-term trading, don't miss this video. After you select your symbol and time frame, it's time to add the first indicator of this strategy to the chart. For this, simply go to the indicators section and type in the search box Impulse MACD. Once you find it, click on it to add it to the chart. Now, as always, you need to enter the settings of this indicator and make some adjustments so that you can use it for this strategy. This indicator has been added at the bottom of the chart and needs some explanation. The middle line in this indicator divides it into 2 areas. When the columns are above this area, we consider the trend to be bullish and regard this area as a buy zone, looking for signals to enter buy trades at these points. Conversely, when the columns are below the middle line, we consider the trend to be bearish and look for signals to enter sell trades in this area, ignoring buy signals within this area. Now, let's move on to adding the second indicator of this powerful strategy. To do this, we need to go back to the indicators section and type in the search box HLOTT. Once you find it, just click on it to add it to the chart. After that, you need to enter its settings and make some changes so that this indicator can be used in this strategy. Now you need to learn where to use this indicator. We use this indicator to find suitable entry points for our trades, and it's quite easy to work with. You might wonder how we plan to enter trades since we don't see buy and sell signals on the chart. The explanation is very simple. When the candles break the upper line of this indicator upwards, it generates a buy signal for us. And when the candles break the lower line of this indicator downwards, it generates sell signals for us. In the following, you will see examples that will help you better identify entry points. Now that you have learned how to work with these 2 indicators independently, all you need is for me to tell you where to enter trades and where to set your stop loss and take profit. But before that, I want you to take a look at the channel because I have created many strategies with different win rates and explained them to you in detail. We'll start with buy orders. First, you need to look for a buy signal, which means finding a point where the price candles have crossed the upper line of the HLOTT indicator upwards. After that, you need to make sure that the trend at this point is bullish. To do this, check the Impulse MACD indicator and ensure that the columns are in the buy zone. Now that all conditions are met, we realize we have found a suitable entry point for a buy trade. Next, we should set our stop loss a little below the last swing low. Now we can enter the buy trade at this point. For the take profit, we just need to consider a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now we just have to wait for the market to reach our take profit or stop loss, and our trade will close with either a profit or a loss. For sell orders, you should do exactly the opposite of what I mentioned for buy orders. First and foremost, look for a sell signal, which means finding a point on the chart where the candles have crossed the lower line of the HLOTT indicator downwards. After that, ensure that the market trend is bearish at this point, so check the impulse MACD indicator and make sure the columns are in the sell zone. If both conditions I mentioned are met, we confirm that we have correctly identified the entry point for a sell trade. Now we just need to set our stop loss a little above the last swing high. We can now enter the sell trade, and for the take profit we should also consider a risk to reward ratio 1 to 1.5. Now all that remains is to wait for the market to hit our take profit or stop loss, and our trade will close with either a profit or a loss, allowing us to move on to the next trades. In the following, you can look at trades to understand how high the win rate of this strategy has been so you can easily use it. I hope this video has helped you get acquainted with an effective scalping strategy with the highest win rate. Don't forget to adhere to money management rules. If you have any questions or experiences using this strategy, please share them with us in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on next educational videos. Until the next video, wish you success and profitability.